Now Bonbon's sleeping. Time to wake up.
Okay.
Back to sleep. Bonbon. Wake up.
Oh no!
He overslept. Time to go quick.
Okay.
Run! Here's the bus.
Okay.
The ducks are getting on. Run!
Oh no! Wait for me! Oh no!
You missed the bus.
Wait for me!
He can't catch up.
Wait for me! Oh no!
Use the scooter. Go,
Wait
go,
for me.
go!
Wait for me! Wait for me! What's this?
Hey, you.
Go, go, go!
Okay. Thank you.
You finally got on.
Sorry.
But what about the scooter? Bye-bye, scooter.
Oh no!
He's mad.
Okay.
He put on his headphones.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye-bye, duckies.
Bye-bye! Oh no!
Bonbon missed his stop. Oh. Tractor.
What's this?
Gold. Shiny.
Okay.
Okay.
He put the gold in the back.
Okay.
Oh no! Okay.
Okay.
Put the rest back. Good job.
Okay.
Time to go. Bring home the gold. Oh, he needs to poop.
Oh no! Toilet. What's this?
Gold bathroom.
Okay.
Golden toilet. He's pooping
Oh no!
and farting.
Oh no!
It was was a dream.
Oh no!
Time to wake up. Wakey, wakey.
Oh no!
Time for sleep, little duck. Sleepy, sleepy. He's sleeping. He's watching his videos.
Oh no!
Lightning.
Oh no!
The duck's awake. He's scared.
Oh no! Oh no! I'm sorry.
Calm down, little duck. It's okay. Time for sleep. Sleeping again. Time to go.
Okay.
This time he's wearing headphones. Playing a racing game. The duck's hungry.